Today we're tackling a question that I'm sure we've all asked ourselves at one point or another. Why am I always tired? I've definitely asked myself this question, and then I look at different factors to see where my tiredness is coming from. If you're fed up with feeling tired, you're definitely in the right place, and I'm going to go through the most common reasons of tiredness in this video and how to fix them. Stay tuned till the end of the video for the most exclusive tips on how to boost your energy levels. Number 1, sleep quality. Improving our sleep quality goes beyond just the hours of sleep that we have. We also need to take into account the quality of sleep we're getting. Sleeping quality can be affected by many different factors, including diet, stress levels, the environment we're sleeping in. At night, our bodies regenerate and repair themselves. And these are important, crucial steps to keeping your body healthy. You should aim for around 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night for the average person. Obviously, everyone is a little bit different and your sleep needs might also vary. My top tips on getting good quality sleep involves waking up and going to sleep at the same times every day, Monday to Sunday. Try to wake up in the morning by getting a few minutes of natural light, so go to a nearby window, and try to eat your last meal at least 3 hours before you go to bed. Don't drink too much caffeine 8 hours before you go to bed. Overuse of caffeinated drinks can lead to poor quality sleep, which can make the problem worse. And remember to watch out for energy drinks as well, because those can have a lot of caffeine in them. Physical inactivity. Our bodies were designed to move, and as our lifestyles become more and more sedentary, often being on a computer for long hours each day, it can be hard for our body to get the movement that it needs. Although you might feel that going for a run and going for a walk might drain more energy, these boost essential hormones that keep your body healthy and active. Exercise not only boosts our muscle strength, but it also boosts essential brain chemicals. Stress. I have a habit of spreading myself too thin, and I don't know if you do as well. Sometimes that can involve saying yes to too many things or taking on too much work. Well, stress can be an energy vampire and drain a lot of our resources. Chronic stress, especially over prolonged periods of time, is a precursor to many different medical conditions and diseases. It may lead to chronic inflammation that causes changes in your brain and body's health. Learning to set healthy boundaries and saying yes to certain tasks and no to other tasks, and adopting stress management techniques like journaling or meditation can be crucial for your health. Nutritional deficiencies. Drinking enough water and eating the right foods is essential to maintain your energy levels. Nutrient deficiencies are incredibly important to be aware of and can make you feel tired even if you're getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Deficiencies in the following nutrients can be linked to tiredness. You can see them listed here. Staying well hydrated is essential for lots of your body's processes. Many of your body's important reactions lead to losing water. Being dehydrated can make you more tired and have a hard time focusing and concentrating. Underlying health conditions. If you're experiencing tiredness and it's ongoing and you've tried lifestyle factors, there might be a medical condition causing your symptoms. Here are some examples listed here. Your doctor might need to do some tests, so it's important to book an appointment if you're worried about what's going on. Drugs and alcohol, shift work, and some medications could lead to excess tiredness. The bottom line: everyone has days and weeks where they're feeling excessively tired. What I tend to do when I'm feeling excessively tired is have a look at my sleep, my diet, my stress levels, and exercise. If I try to readjust these 4 areas, I often feel my tiredness symptoms getting better. However, if symptoms are not getting better, it's important to see a doctor, as you may need some further tests. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it useful. If you write a comment below on your top tips for when you're feeling low energy, I will reply. Lastly, if I can ask for a favor, if you click the subscribe button, it really helps my channel to keep growing. Thank you for watching.